WKTV.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. So today is a Storm Tracker 2 alert day, just in preparation for some scattered thunderstorms that could become severe in the afternoon to evening hours today. So here's a live look at our CapV tower cam. This is overlooking the city of Utica. We do just see a mostly cloudy sky this morning when you wake up. We may see some scattered thunderstorms this morning, but most of them will be in the afternoon to evening hours. If we look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, these storms are coming from the southwest. So we see they're all right down here in the southwest. They will continue to move up into the northeast throughout the day today and may affect us in the afternoon to evening hours. But right now we can see we are getting a brief storm right here in just north of Rome right now in Oneida County. So here's the radar and satellite if we zoom out. This is all because of a cold front. So as you can see, it is coming from the southwest, going all the way up into the northeast. Slowly but surely, it will affect us throughout the day today. So we just wanted to keep you weather aware for that. There will be updates on our Facebook and Twitter, as well as right here on WKTV throughout the day today. But temperatures right now this morning, very warm, very humid. We are at 75 degrees in Rome. Our average high for this time of year is around 70. So this morning, 75, very warm. This is the chance of rain. The biggest chance is around late morning to early afternoon hours, dying off for the day tomorrow and for the night tonight. So here's the skycast showing those scattered showers and storms mainly coming in the early afternoon to evening hours tonight. That is when we will get the heaviest bands of precipitation. We are drying out for the day tomorrow. Some scattered showers may return on Friday. But for today, high of 71. Those scattered storms are coming into the afternoon hours. Tonight they are clearing up with a low in the 50s. Here's your 7-day forecast. Scattered showers return on Friday and Saturday, clearing out for Sunday and the beginning of next week. Katrina?
Thank you, Hannah. Some of the nation's biggest Olympic stars are in Washington.
We're saying good morning to Hartwick and all of the greater Utica region. Good morning, everybody. So allergy count is very low today and will be low for the rest of the week. But unfortunately for today, might not be a good day to do any yard work. We are expecting some scattered thunderstorms this afternoon into the evening hours as well. So no need to water your plants today. We are drying out tomorrow. Scattered showers do return on Friday, but the weekend is mainly dry, very above average, highs in the lower 80s for this weekend and for the next of the week. Very humid as well, so you can still water your plants out there. We are very hot this year for September. And mowing your lawn as well. Today, not such a good day. It is going to be quite damp out there. Tomorrow we are clearing out, so maybe a good day tomorrow once that grass is dry. Friday and Saturday, we are expecting some scattered showers. Again, it's nothing serious. You may be able to fit it in between scattered showers or whatnot. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you, Hannah. Norm McDonald.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. So today is a Storm Tracker 2 alert day for the chance of those scattered thunderstorms that could become severe in the late morning to early afternoon hours as well as the evening. So here's a live look at our CapV tower cam overlooking the city of Utica. Not seeing much right now. We are still mostly cloudy, and here is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. As we can see, this band of scattered showers and storms are moving from the southwest to the northeast, and it will be that way for most of the day today. So that is why I wanted to issue an alert day. These storms could become severe at times. So here is the radar and satellite showing from the southwest to the northeast, as we can see here. Originally, it was supposed to be in the early morning hours today, but now it is looking like we will see the heaviest of storms in the afternoon to evening hours today. So just wanted to keep you weather aware of that, and we will be updating on our Facebook page and our Twitter page as well. Temperature in Rome right now is at 75 degrees. That is very warm for the time. 70 degrees is the high for this time of year, and we are already at 75 degrees this morning. Very humid as well. So here's that skycast. May see a scattered shower or a storm this morning, but as we can see, the heaviest band comes in the afternoon to evening hours today. As we get into Thursday, we will be clearing out for the day on Thursday. Some scattered showers do return for Friday and Saturday, but we will clear out after that for at least the next couple of days. But for today, a high of 72. Thunderstorms rolling in the afternoon to evening hours today. Tonight, low of 56. We are clearing up tonight, but mostly cloudy otherwise. Here's your 7-day forecast. Clearing up for tomorrow. Scattered showers returning Friday and Saturday. Clearing up once again for Sunday and for the beginning of next week. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you, Hannah. More than 200,000 people are without power in Texas after a strike from Hurricane Nicholas. The storm is now weakened to a tropical depression and is taking aim at already hard-hit Louisiana. Mike Seidel from the Weather Channel is on the ground there, touring some of the devastation made in Surfside Beach in Texas so far today.
It actually came in as a Category 1 hurricane, upgraded at the last minute, and this is what's left of part of this house. This was all underneath the house. Everything's on stilts here, but when you have a strong storm surge like they did and 60-mile-an-hour winds, plus they had a half a foot of rain, you're going to get issues like this. House in the distance lost part of its roof. A couple gentlemen put some plywood up and the blue tarp to keep any future rainfall out. But, you know, if you lose your roof in the middle of a storm and it's raining, it all gets in there and percolates down through the home. More houses up here getting hit by the surge in the wind from Nicholas. Under this house right here, the concrete pad used for engineering stability has dropped down. That'll have to be replaced. They lost part of their steps, a couple of couches out here. And then look at this house. We talked to their owners, and they lost part of their roof, and they've got water damage. And as we spin around, there's a refrigerator, and again, anything on the lower floor where the stilts are pretty much ruined by the surge of Nicholas. The sun is out now. The cleanup continues. Power not expected back on here for 3 days. In fact, the town is closed to all but homeowners, people living here, and workers. I'm meteorologist Mike Seidel, the Weather Channel in Surfside Beach, Texas.
So small correction, that was the damage from Tuesday. Residents in Texas this morning are starting to pick up the pieces left by that hurricane. Although it was short-lived as a hurricane, Nicholas still packed a powerful punch. The storm flooded neighborhoods and businesses, forcing residents to clean up the damage left by the strong winds and the rain. Nicholas has now been downgraded, as I said, to a tropical depression, but experts do warn it could still dump up to 20 inches of rain in some places by the time it's done. Flooded out home and business owners.
Welcome back. So we are looking at the chance for some scattered showers and storms today. This is just for the chance of rain. Right now it is very low, but as we get into 11 a.m. to 5 p.m., it will become likely. It will drop after that to probable, then scatter, then kind of clear out for the overnight hours tonight into Thursday, but it's still going to remain very hot and humid for the next couple of days. Today through Saturday, even into the beginning of next week, it will be very humid out and very hot as well. Temperatures in the lower 80s for the high. The average high around this time of year is in the lower 70s. So unfortunately, the mosquito activity is not going to be going down anytime soon. So if you are outside, make sure to wear some bug spray. It is going to be extreme for today, tomorrow, Friday, and probably for the weekend and next week. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you, Hannah.
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Today is a Storm Tracker 2 alert day due to the possibility of scattered severe thunderstorms this afternoon into the evening hours tonight. So here's a live look at our CAV tower cam overlooking the city of Utica. We do see a mostly cloudy, kind of stormy sky. And if we take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we do see some activity right now. We have this band of thunderstorms moving through our area this morning. These are not expected to be severe, but I will be keeping a close eye on this. The more severe thunderstorms will be coming in into the afternoon to evening hours tonight. But again, right now we are seeing some moving from the southwest to the northeast. If you look at our radar and satellite, they are developing in the southwest and slowly moving to the northeast, expected to affect us throughout the day today. So that is why we want to issue an alert day just to keep you weather aware. Temperatures right now are very warm for this time of day, ranging in the upper 60s to 70s. We have 73 right now in New Hartford. 70 degrees is our average high for this time of year, so already 73 at 6 in the morning is pretty warm out there. 69 in Inlet, 68 in Old Forge. Going a bit further down south, we see 68 in Cooperstown, 71 in Milford. The average high, or the high today, will only reach to the mid-70s by the afternoon to evening hours. So let's look at that skycast. We may see some storms right now. The heaviest bands of precipitation and storms will come in the afternoon to evening hours, mainly just to the south of us. So we may see some severe thunderstorms in the afternoon to evening hours tonight. Before today, a high of 72. Those scattered showers and storms coming in around noon and lasting throughout the evening. Tonight, a low of 56. Those storms and showers are going to be clearing up for a mostly cloudy night. Here's your 7-day forecast. We are clearing out tomorrow. Scattered showers return Friday and Saturday. Clearing up for the rest of the weekend and the beginning of the week. Highs in the lower 80s. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you so much. Well, some of the nation's biggest Olympics.
We're saying good morning to Hartwick and all of the greater Utica region. Welcome back, everybody. So today and for the rest of the week, allergy reports will be low. But unfortunately, not a good day today to spend outside. We are going to see scattered thunderstorms today. We are seeing some right now, actually, in the northwestern part of Oneida and the Madison counties. So no need to water your plants today or go outside and do any yard work. It is going to be quite damp out there. We are clearing out for Thursday. Some scattered showers do return on Friday, but remaining mostly clear and dry for the weekend. It is going to be very hot and humid for these next couple of days. High temperatures in the lower 80s. That is very warm for this time of year. So if you want to mow your lawn, again, today would be a bad day to do that. Moving into Thursday, once it all dries out, it would be a good day tomorrow. Friday and Saturday, a few scattered showers just because of that humidity that is going to be lingering in the air and the heat as well. But otherwise, partly cloudy days for both those days, so fair day to do some yard work. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you, Hannah. Norm McDonald, the master of deadpan.
York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning. The possibility of severe thunderstorms this afternoon into the evening hours today. Here is a live look at the CAV tower cam overlooking the city of Utica. Right now in most of our areas we do see a mostly cloudy sky, and the areas that are seeing thunderstorms, if we take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we see just to the northwest of Utica, right through Rome there, the northwest of Madison County as well, are seeing some of these thunderstorms right now. These aren't the severe ones. We may see more severe ones later in the afternoon to evening. We just wanted to keep you weather aware today. That is why we issued an alert day. But yes, these are moving through to the southeast right now in most of our areas. Here is the radar and satellite showing that. So these storms today are going to be coming from the southwest, moving up into the northeast, and may affect us this afternoon into the evening hours today. Of course, we will keep you updated on our Facebook and our Twitter, as well as here on WKTV. Some Skywatcher reports coming in this morning. We are starting out very warm, very humid this morning. Temperatures in the upper 60s to 70s, 69 in Inlet, 73 in Clinton and New Hartford. Going a bit further down south, 68 in Cooperstown, 71 in Milford. So very hot, very humid this morning. Now let's look at that skycast. A few scattered showers and storms this morning. We are going to see the heavier bands of precipitation this afternoon and into the evening hours. These may become severe. That is why we issued an alert day for today. But we are clearing out tonight into Thursday. Highs in the mid-70s tomorrow. We may see a few scattered showers on Friday. For today, we have thunderstorms scattered throughout the day today, a high of 72. Clearing out for tonight with a low in the mid-50s. Here's your 7-day forecast showing we are clearing out tomorrow. Some scattered showers do return for Friday and Saturday. We are drying out and remaining very hot for Sunday and for the beginning of next week. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you, Hannah. More than 200,000 people are without power in Texas after a strike from Hurricane Nicholas. The storm is now weakened to a tropical depression and is taking aim at already hard-hit Louisiana. Residents in Texas this morning are starting to pick up the pieces, although it's short-lived. As a hurricane, Nicholas still packed a powerful punch. The storm flooded neighborhoods and businesses, forcing residents to clean up damage left by strong winds and rain. Experts warn Nicholas could still dump up to 20 inches of rain in some places over the next few days. 6:49 is the time. Back at last, Broadway makes its return.
Welcome back. We are starting off this morning mostly cloudy. The central part of Oneida and the central part of Herkimer County right now are seeing some scattered thunderstorms moving through the area. So looking at the Mesonet cams, we will see most of the cameras are showing mostly cloudy conditions. So starting off the day today, very warm and humid, temperatures in the lower 70s. A few scattered thunderstorms right now that should be clearing out later. But again, we will see some more scattered thunderstorms this afternoon and into the evening hours today, but clearing out by tonight. So for today, we have a high of 75, showers and storms throughout the day, and tonight a low of 55. We are mostly clearing up for a clear day tomorrow. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you, Hannah. More than 200,000.
Good morning and welcome back. So we are experiencing some scattered storms right now in our area. That should clear out by the late morning. But again, some more scattered storms are going to be occurring in the afternoon to evening hours tonight. So here is a live look at our CAPV tower cam over the city of Utica. Look at that storm right now, just kind of moving through Utica, dumping some rain on us. This should clear out within an hour. And here is the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. So this storm had moved in from the southwest. It just affected Rome. Now it is going to affect Utica and the central part of Herkimer. Is going to continue to move to the northeast this morning. But in other words, good news. Allergy count is low for today and it will be low for the rest of the week and the weekend. So once that rain dries out for tomorrow, good day to spend outside without the allergies bothering you. Today, scattered storms this morning, clearing out for the late morning, and we do see some scattered storms returning for the afternoon and evening hours today, high of 75, and I will have your full forecast coming up. Back to you, Katrina.
New this morning, more than 1 million homes across.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. Today is a Storm Tracker 2 alert day due to scattered thunderstorms throughout the day that could become severe at times. Here is a live look at our CAPV tower cam. We just saw some showers and storms here in Utica right now. And if we look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we do see this band of storms that just passed through our area just about like half an hour ago. So this is continuing to move off into the northeast. We will see some more storms develop and form later today in the afternoon and evening hours as well that could become severe. These are going to be coming from the southwest and moving northeast. Here's the skycast. We just saw those band of storms move through by the afternoon and evening hours today. Those storms could possibly come back in and could possibly be severe. That is why I want to issue an alert day for today. But we are drying out overnight tonight, clearing out for tomorrow. Those scattered showers do return for Friday and for Saturday. But for today, we have a high in the mid-70s, scattered showers and storms expected and possible throughout the day. For tonight, we are clearing up for a mostly cloudy night, a low in the mid-50s. Here is your 7-day forecast. We are drying out tomorrow. Some scattered showers do return for Friday and Saturday, nothing severe. Drying out again for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Very warm next week. High temperatures in the lower 80s. Today is a Storm Tracker 2 alert day due to the possibility of scattered thunderstorms all throughout the day today that could become severe at times, specifically in the afternoon to evening. So let's look at that day planner for today. High in the mid-70s, scattered thunderstorms throughout the day, clearing out for tonight, a low in the mid-50s, mostly cloudy. Here's your 7-day forecast, drying out for tomorrow. Scattered showers return for Friday and Saturday, drying out and really warming up next week.
Meteorologist Hannah Evans is in for Jill.
Good afternoon, everybody. So yes, today is a Storm Tracker 2 alert day. We are currently in a severe thunderstorm watch right now for most of our viewing area. So here is a look at that. We are looking at Oneida County, Herkimer County, Otsego County, Madison County, and Chenango County right now are in severe thunderstorm watches until 8 p.m. this evening. I will, of course, let you know if that turns into a warning anytime soon. Here is the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar showing some storms in our area right now. There is one mainly in the northwestern part of Otsego County moving through, as well as Madison and Chenango counties right now. So I am keeping a close eye on these storms at the moment. So your headlines for this afternoon, we do have those scattered showers and storms throughout the afternoon into the evening, but we are clearing up overnight tonight into tomorrow. And we are going to experience some warmer and humid weather for the rest of this week and as well as the weekend. Before today, we have a high in the lower 70s. Those scattered showers and storms are expected, and I'll be mapping that all out in the full forecast coming up. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you so much, Hannah. Residents of
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. Today is a Storm Tracker 2 alert day due to those scattered thunderstorms that could become severe this afternoon. So let's take a live look at our CAPV tower cam. Overlooking the city of Utica, we do see some cumulonimbus clouds in the air. This means there are going to be some thunderstorms. And right now, Oneida County, Herkimer County, Otsego County, Madison, and Chenango counties are under a severe thunderstorm watch. A watch means just to be prepared. There has not been any spottings of severe thunderstorms yet. A warning means there has been a severe thunderstorm spotted and to take action. So right now we are just under a watch for this afternoon. Of course, I will let you know if that changes into a warning at any time. Now here is the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Right now we are seeing some thunderstorms right here in Otsego County as well as Madison, Chenango, moving up to Oneida and Herkimer County. So we are just keeping an eye on these. These are all moving to the northeast from the southwest. So if we look at our radar and satellite, we see these are forming along the cold front that is moving from west to east through our area and will continue to move off into the northeast throughout the afternoon, clearing up by the evening tonight. That severe thunderstorm watch is in effect until 8 p.m. this evening. Today's temperatures are pretty warm and humid. Right now in the North Country, we are sitting in the upper 60s. In Mohawk Valley, we are sitting in the upper 60s as well, and the Southern Valley's upper 60s. So it is in the upper 60s. It is very humid as well. We are getting those thunderstorms coming through because of the cold front and the humidity combined. So let's look at that skycast right now. We do see a band of thunderstorms moving through, and again, that band just gets a little bit more intense throughout the afternoon. That will clear out by this evening and into the overnight hours tonight. Tomorrow should remain mostly clear, highs in the mid to upper 70s, as well as Friday. We may see a scattered shower or two because of that humidity still lingering in the air, but highs again are in the upper 70s, may even reach 80s on Saturday. Before today, we do have a high of 75. Those showers and storms are happening right now. Again, we are under a severe thunderstorm watch for most of our areas until 8 p.m. tonight. I will let you know if that turns into a warning at any time. Tonight we have a low of 55. Those thunderstorms are going to be clearing up tonight into the overnight hours and for the day tomorrow. Here is your 7-day forecast. Again, today is an alert day, so just keep an eye on the sky throughout the day today. Tomorrow we are clearing up. Friday and Saturday, we are expecting some scattered showers once again because of the humidity. Moving into Sunday, we are clearing out for Sunday and for the beginning of next week with high temperatures in the lower 80s. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you, Hannah. In California, Democratic village.
I'm Jason Paulus. It is a Storm Tracker 2 alert day as a severe thunderstorm watch is in effect until 8 o'clock tonight.
And flood concerns. Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis leads the broadcast with what we need to know.
All right, tonight, I think the severe thunderstorm risk is just about off the table. In other words, the weather out there is not expected to produce damaging winds or hail, but the flooding threat is not done yet. We have a flash flood warning in effect for parts of Otsego County until 6:45. This includes Hartwick, Cooperstown, Cherry Valley, just east of Springfield. Some major roadways here as well underneath that flash flood warning, including Route 20 east of Springfield and west of the Schoharie County line, along with Route 28 heading towards Fly Creek to Cooperstown, and also looking at Route 80 north of Cooperstown. Again, don't drive on water-covered roadways. That is the biggest concern going forward. Again, we're continuing to track rainfall that will move through the area as we head into this evening. Rainfall heavy and localized, more than an inch in Otsego County, much lower amounts in the Mohawk Valley, which those areas are not underneath that same flood risk. Current temperature is 65 degrees this evening. We're continuing to track rain. We're going to track when this rain comes to an end in just a few minutes. Back over to you.
All right, Bill, thank you. Two COVID-related.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening and welcome back. We continue to track widespread rain, reduced visibility, ponding on roadways, with the majority of us experiencing that this evening. Let's take a live look outside. This is our Cavi Tower Cam. If you're heading home from work, just take it easy on the roadways. From our vantage point here on Smith Hill, the fog is pretty thick. This is especially going to be the case along higher elevations this evening. Here's a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Just about all of central New York is still experiencing some rain on the backside of a cold front. But I'm most concerned about where the rain has been falling heaviest today, and that would be south of the Mohawk Valley. A flash flood warning remains in effect for a portion of Otsego County, including Cooperstown to Cherry Valley. Again, in this particular spot, 1.5 to 3 inches of rain has already fallen, and it's still raining in these areas. And again, if you're going to be traveling to or from this part of Otsego County, again, Cooperstown, Cherry Valley, Route 20 between Springfield and the Schoharie County line, Cooperstown, Route 28 to Fly Creek, and also Hartwick, Route 205. These are roads we're going to have to keep an eye on for possible flooding. Again, this is only a small part of the area. As we look at the bigger picture, we can see the back edge of the rain is starting to approach parts of our area. In fact, I want to put a storm track and show you the back edge of the steadiest rain as it heads to the east. The rain will start to taper off in Rome at 5:45, Utica 6:16, and Ilion at around 6:43. So there is an end in sight to the rain, and conditions will improve as we head later into this evening. And tomorrow is looking to be a much, much nicer day. Whitesboro, 62 degrees, Rome 63. Of course, with the rain, temperatures are a lot cooler. Cooperstown 63 and Skinevus with 64. Again, all this rain coming from that cold front moving through the region. Again, the severe weather risk is over. In fact, I also want to mention the severe thunderstorm watch has been dropped for just about all parts of our area. So again, good news there. Again, that flash flood warning continues in Otsego County until 6:45. Tonight, the rain tapers off. By tomorrow morning, the weather is looking a lot nicer. There could be some patchy fog around the area in the morning, so be on the lookout for that. But tomorrow features sunshine, still warm and a little bit less humid. Temperatures will be in the mid-70s. Heading into tomorrow night, the clouds start to build back in from the southeast. As low pressure lingers off the Atlantic, this could give us a few showers on Friday. Certainly not a washout, though. Temperatures will be in the mid to upper 70s. Rain ends tonight. Be on the lookout for some patchy fog. Overnight lows in the mid-50s. Tomorrow, partly sunny skies and a pleasant day, a high of 77. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. A few showers here on Friday and Saturday. Temperatures will be close to 80 degrees. Sunday looks dry and very summer-like as we look ahead to Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week with temperatures in the low to mid-80s. And coming up in the next half hour, we are taking a look at dangers of flash flooding using virtual reality.
Oh, look forward to that. And because of the rain, tonight's Go the Distance run is canceled. So all of our runners, if you were planning to head out the door soon, hold off. Tonight's run is canceled. In just hours,
Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis, an alert day. What do we got, Bill?
Yeah, our concern this evening continues to be rainfall. The severe weather threat is waning in terms of any storms producing damaging winds or hail. But we still have rain that's falling, and we still have a flash flood warning in effect for Otsego County, parts of Otsego County, until 6:45 this evening. The primary concern, flooded roadways. And we always ask, never ever drive over flooded roadways. You don't know how deep the water is, and it only takes about 1 to 2 feet of water that's moving quickly enough to move a car. Cars can be carried away by flooded waters on the roadways. We've seen it happen before, and again, that's what we're going to be continuing to follow heading into tonight. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. The really heavy rain is moving to the east, but as you can see, we're still dealing with that, at least for the next few hours. We're tracking the end of rain this evening, along with some nicer weather to follow. Look at that forecast is coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. After flooding caused
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening and welcome back. It remains a Storm Tracker 2 alert day as we are continuing to track an active day of weather in our area. First of all, let's take a live look outside. This is our Mirabido Tower Cam overlooking Oneonta. The majority of the area is seeing cloudy skies and steady rainfall. The rain is not falling as heavy as it did just a couple of hours ago, so some good news there. And also some good news, the severe thunderstorm watch that was in effect earlier today has been discontinued, and that's because the risk for severe weather has decreased, and it's now off the table as the stronger weather continues to push south and east of our area. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. And again, it's still raining and it's still a pretty active day across our area with widespread rainfall. And I do want to point out, we do have a flash flood warning that remains in effect until 6:45 this evening for portions of Otsego County, primarily highlighting some of these major roadways where this flash flood warning goes over. It goes over Route 20 from Springfield, east of Springfield to the Schoharie County line, and also Route 28 between Fly Creek and Cooperstown, also Route 80 heading north of Cooperstown to about Glimmerglass State Park. And again, if you're in this area, you want to just be very careful if you're going to be driving to or from these locations, as we could have ponding on the roadways and some localized issues. As far as the bigger picture goes, widespread steady rain. The back edge of this is starting to work into the Rome area. In fact, I want to put a track on the back edge of the steadiest rain. Rain should be tapering off in Utica beginning at around 6:18, German Flats 6:53, and Little Falls at 7:02. So it's going to be a slow progression before the rain exits our area. Our weather will improve as we head into tonight. Let's take a look at how much rain has fallen across the region. This is from our Sky Watchers. 2 inches of rain in parts of Otsego County, including Otego and Edmonston, a little over 1 inch in Morris. The rainfall amounts go much lower heading into the Mohawk Valley in these areas under a much less of a risk of flooding heading into tonight. Cold front continues to head to the east. Our weather will improve as we head into tonight. Clearing skies, some patchy fog by tomorrow morning. Overnight lows drop down into the 50s. Beautiful for Thursday. Sunshine, comfortable. Still pretty warm, temperatures in the mid-70s. Low pressure off the Atlantic coast will bring us some clouds and a few sprinkles as we look ahead to Friday as well as Saturday. But it's still very warm considering the time of the year. Temperatures both Friday and Saturday making a run into the upper 70s. Rain ends tonight, some patchy fog, a low of 55. Partly sunny skies tomorrow, high of 77. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Showers possible Friday and Saturday, temperatures near 80, dry Sunday. It's going to feel very warm, unusually warm for the middle and end of September for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Sunshine temperatures in the low 80s. I have an update on rainfall totals across the area at 6 o'clock. Stay with us.
Time now for your first look at the forecast at 6. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
All right, we're continuing to track steady rain across central New York. I do have some good news here that we do have the severe thunderstorm watch that has been dropped for our area, and also just got word from the National Weather Service that flash flood warning has also been discontinued. The one that we were talking about was in this part of Otsego County that was around Cooperstown to Roseboom. By the way, more than 4 inches of rain fell today in Cherry Valley. That is why there was a flash flood warning for that region of Otsego County. And again, the good news going forward, the rain is going to gradually come to an end as we head into this evening. Let's take a look at how some other locations with rainfall. Sherburne, 2 inches of rain today. Springfield, about 1.5 inches. Brookfield 1.13 inches. The rainfall totals go down dramatically, and that's why we haven't had any reports of any flooding issues in and around the Mohawk Valley. Herkimer, about 3/4 of an inch of rain, about less than half an inch of rain in Westmoreland. Current temperature is 64 degrees. It is cool out there, and it will remain cool with rain continuing this evening. Be on the lookout for some patchy fog heading into tonight, but the weather does look to improve. We are tracking the end of this rain. Look at that forecast coming up. Kristen, back to you.
One of the 4 people shot.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening and welcome back. The severe weather threat has diminished in our area. The severe thunderstorm watch has been discontinued, and that flash flood warning that was in effect for Otsego County has also been dropped. So some very good news to report as our Storm Tracker 2 alert day continues, but will be waning as well as we head into tonight. A live look at our CATV tower cam. There's fog and poor visibility. If you're going to be heading out this evening, just keep in mind this is going to be most noticeable along higher elevations. We're still dealing with ponding on roadways, but in terms of any serious issues with any significant flooding, that risk continues to diminish. It's still raining outside, moderate rain across many areas as a very slow-moving cold front rolls through. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Let's take a closer look at what's going on. Again, the rainfall is at a moderate clip. Again, we're seeing a lot less red compared to what we saw earlier today. And the thunderstorm risk, again, now off the table as those storms move to the east. Still raining in Cooperstown, Milford at a pretty good clip, about a 1/4 to 1/2 an inch per hour here. As we look to the north, we can see, again, still raining in Utica, Trenton, but the rain is starting to taper off, at least becoming lighter from Roman points to the west. And in fact, I want to track the back edge of the steadiest rain moving into Utica at around 6:30, Frankfort 6:53, Little Falls 7:14, Manheim 7:17, and Minden at 7:48. Again, the rain will gradually taper off throughout the entire area as we head into tonight, and we're expecting much nicer weather for tomorrow. More rainfall totals, these from our sky watchers. Edmonston 2.23 inches of rain, that's from Christopher. Otsego Harry with 2 inches of rain. Morris 1.3 inches of rain. Norway about 1/2 an inch, as well as Mohawk. Lower amounts of rainfall in parts of the Mohawk Valley, Mike and New Hartford with just over 4/10 of an inch of rain. That's why flooding issues in general have been relatively minimal for most of the area. Again, that one exception, Otsego County. There goes the cold front. Behind it, drier weather, and we're expecting skies to clear out and the sunshine to return for tomorrow. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast. Watch out for some patchy fog overnight. We're dropping down into the 50s. Beautiful weather for Thursday. Sunshine and warm. Temperatures will be in the mid to upper 70s. The weather remains dry Thursday night, but some clouds start to approach from the south. Low pressure will park off the Atlantic coast and bring us extra cloud cover and a few sprinkles here as we head into Friday and Saturday. But it's still warm. Temperatures will be close to 80 degrees. Rain ends tonight in patchy fog, a low of 55. Tomorrow, partly sunny skies, a nice day. Temperatures in the upper 70s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Again, it's just a passing shower or two on Friday and Saturday. Temperatures near 80. Sunday is looking dry, and it's going to be warm early next week. Much warmer than average, with highs in the low to mid 80s on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Back over to you.
Bill, thank you. Still to come on News Channel 2 at 6. Utica College women's soccer featured with the forecast. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. Good evening, Bill.
Good evening, Jason. Good evening, everyone. The rain is moving to the east, and our weather will be improving as we head into tonight. Sunshine's back for tomorrow. Here's a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We're tracking some light rain across the southern valleys, Otsego, Shenango, southern Madison County. Still seeing some of that very light rain. But again, that is on its way out. Rainfall totals today ranging between 1 to 2 inches across Otsego and Shenango County. We actually had one report in Cherry Valley of over 4 inches of rain. We had some flooding issues localized between Cooperstown and Cherry Valley earlier this afternoon. The flooding issues have gone away, though, as the rain has come to an end. Beautiful sunset this evening. This picture from Diane in Verona Beach. Another one from Mary in Marcy. And hey, why not 3? Jess in Whitesboro. Very colorful sky, again, due to clouds departing from that storm system moving out. Current temperature is 61 degrees. Tonight, we're down into the mid-50s. Some patchy fog will be developing. We're getting you ready, getting the kids ready. The forecast for the bus stop is coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. One of the four
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening and welcome back. We're taking a live look outside overlooking the city of Utica, which we can see clearly as the rain has moved out. So look at our CAV tower cam. The weather is going to improve as we head into tonight. We're still tracking some very light rain showers. A live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. The back edge of the rain in Otsego and Chenango County heading to the east as that cold front lifts out of our area, and behind it we are expecting drier conditions and a return to some sunshine as we head into Thursday. Going to bed tonight, it looks comfortable. We can leave the windows open. Overnight lows drop down into the 50s and maybe give the air conditioner a break. However, it is going to get warm again. Don't put the air conditioner away just yet. We're looking at higher levels of humidity, especially by Friday. That looks to be the most humid day of the next 7. And we're also looking at warmer temperatures. There will be a drop in the humidity, noticeable drop by Sunday, but temperatures are going to be well above average. Now, with more rain in the forecast, that unfortunately means the mosquitoes are going to be crazy. And that is not going to change anytime soon, with weather remaining above average. So again, it is going to be a tough go here for at least the next 1 to 2 weeks. Best time to cut the lawn tomorrow and return to sunshine. Some showers around for Friday and Saturday. So you look at the radar and satellite image, a cold front continues to push to the east. And again, behind it, some drier air builds in, and our weather will turn a lot nicer here as we head into Thursday. We're expecting again, that sunshine to return to the area. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast. Again, the rain heads out. Watch out for some fog tonight, and that'll be around first thing tomorrow morning as temperatures start out in the 50s. You might need a light jacket heading out to work or school, but you won't need one later in the day. It's going to be a warm afternoon. Temperatures will be in the mid to upper 70s. Tomorrow night, the weather turns cloudy as low pressure begins to inch in off the Atlantic coast. That could give us a few very light showers on Friday. Not a washout by any means, but not quite as nice as tomorrow, not quite as dry and sunny. Still warm, though. Temperatures will be in the mid to upper 70s. Rain comes to an end tonight. Again, some patchy fog rolls in. Overnight lows in the mid-50s. Beautiful Thursday, partly sunny, light breeze, temperatures in the upper 70s. Your Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Scattered showers on Friday and Saturday. Again, these will not be a washout. Temperatures will be warm too. Saturday we're up to 80, 78 on Sunday. Temperatures in the low to mid 80s with mostly sunny skies Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Jason.
Bill, thank you. Many areas around central New York. Time down for our first look at the forecast. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. Good evening, Bill.
Good evening, Jason. Good evening, everyone. We are looking at some pretty nice weather as we head into tomorrow with skies clearing out and the rain moving out. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We've been tracking rain throughout the day today as a cold front moved through. We picked up a decent amount of rainfall. In fact, 1 to 2 inches in a good portion of Otsego and Chenango counties. Springfield, 1.5 inches of rainfall. Sherburne, 2 inches. We had a report of 4 inches of rain, more than 4 inches, in Cherry Valley. So the rain coming down really hard in a localized area, producing some localized flooding. The rainfall much lighter heading into the Mohawk Valley and North Country. Another thing we saw this evening, a beautiful sunset. We've got a couple of photos to pass along. This is from Verona Beach and with Diane taking that picture. Mary and Marcy, a colorful sky as those clouds helped draw out some of those colors. Jess in Whitesboro, again, just gorgeous photos. There's more of them on our Facebook page. Just search for WKTV weather. Current temperature is 61 degrees. We'll fall down into the 50s tonight with some patchy fog. A beautiful finish to the work week. A look at that forecast is coming out. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. One of the 4 people.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening and welcome back. We're taking a live look outside our Mirabino Tower Cam overlooking Oneonta. How's some fog that's showing up? You can notice that it's obscuring some of the city lights. You can see the same thing here on our CAV Tower Cam. The lights aren't shining quite as brightly as they normally do. And again, that's because some fog is starting to roll in. That's going to be around for tomorrow morning. You're going to want to plan on giving yourself some extra time to head out to work or school. Some light rain showers continue, especially south of the Mohawk Valley. That rain is out of here as we head into tomorrow morning. Going to bed tonight, it is going to be comfortable. We're down into the 50s, not quite as summer-like as last night, so you can leave the windows open before you go to bed. Cool off the house. The humidity, it's going to be humid over the next couple of days, especially Friday. The humidity backs off somewhat by Sunday, but temperatures are going to be very warm over the next few days. The combination of today's rain, humid conditions, well, you get the idea. Mosquito levels will remain extreme over the next several days, and there's no sign of this really letting up, at least for the short term. We really need those cool temperatures, and we're not going to get them. So again, we're just going to have to deal with those high levels of mosquitoes here in central New York, at least for the next several days, and most likely for the next couple of weeks. If you do have to cut the lawn, looking at the best day to do that on Thursday, Friday and Saturday, we do have some rain showers around. A cold front exiting the area. Behind that, the weather is looking a lot nicer. We're looking at dry and sunny conditions as we head into tomorrow afternoon. We can see the front departing as we head into tonight. Again, leaving behind some patchy fog. I'll be on the lookout for that tomorrow morning. It's dry tomorrow afternoon, and it's sunny. It should be a beautiful day, a light east wind. Tomorrow night, low pressure parks itself off the Atlantic seaboard, and that's going to bring us some clouds and a few sprinkles as we head into Friday. Not a washout by any means, but not quite as sunny and dry as tomorrow. Temperatures will be warmer, though. We'll make a run towards 80. Rain comes to an end tonight across the entire area. Again, patchy fog, a low of 55. Tomorrow, partly sunny skies. Temperatures will be in the upper 70s, so a very warm afternoon. Your Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Friday, Saturday, a few sprinkles, a few light rain showers. Temperatures will be close to 80 both days. Sunday is looking dry, 78. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, mostly sunny and warm with temperatures in the low to mid 80s. Fall officially begins, at least says the calendar, on Wednesday. Jason.
Feeling more like summer. All right, thanks, Bill. Many